Mr. President, respected teachers and all the audience, today the topic of my speech is Defense Day of Pakistan. We proudly celebrate the Defense Day of our sweet motherland every year. The entire world knows that how the courageous, fearless and daring tigers of Pakistan Army crushed the planned, organized and secret aggression of the enemy. They reduced all the strength and boldness of Indian Army to ashes. In the words of Iqbal, "Dasht to dasht, darya bhi na chhode humne. Dasht to dasht, darya bhi na chhode humne. Behre zulmat mein dauda diye ghode humne." Brothers, Pakistan was not given to us as a charity. It was not made to secure a piece of land, and it was not made in a day. Pakistan is the result of Islamic ideology. Its foundation lies in the two-nation theory of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, in the bold step of Maulvi Fazlul Haq, in the efforts of Ali brothers, in the dreams of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, and finally in the undefeatable leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Mr. President, during the Pakistan movement for liberation of Indian Muslims, Quaid made it clear that we, the Muslims, are not a minority. We are a nation according to all the definitions of the word nation. Our culture, our history, our religion, our ways of thinking, even everything is not only differ from those of Hindus, but their heroes are our enemies, and our heroes are also considered enemies by them. When we cannot even eat together, then what about one country? So Quaid warned that we shall wish for a laboratory where we would be independent and implement the ideology of Islam. Brothers, for accomplishing this ideal, the whole Muslim Ummah gathered as one unit and sacrificed their lives, sacrificed their sleep, spent all the riches, forgot everything but Pakistan. And by the grace of Allah Almighty, Pakistan came into being on 14th August 1947. But Mr. President, Hindus still continued their fake pride of numerous strength in their minds. Hindus still continued their fake pride of numerous strength in their minds. By hearts, they could not accept Pakistan as prospering and progressing. In short, they tried their best and attacked Pakistan in 1965 in the darkness of midnight. However, Pakistan was scattered, but its people, the Muslims, were one. Fort of Islam proved a fortress to the enemy, and on each and every front, whether it was air, land or sea, the fate of Indian Army was defeat, humiliation and cowardice. They forget to learn that Pakistan Army were heirs of Salahuddin Ayyubi, Muhammad bin Qasim, Khalid bin Walid, Ghori and Tipu. तेगों के साए में हम पलकर जमा हुए हैं, तेगों के साए में हम पलकर जमा हुए हैं, खंजर हलाल का है कौमी निशान हमारा. Dear audience, let's aim together that we shall work hard and excel in all fields of learning and warfare. We will defend our country till death. We shall make the flag of our country upstand in all the comity of nations.